All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's see what's moving today. Baba is a little bit in play right now, so I'm gonna get to my weekly watch list. As you can see, it's gapping up, getting some traction. So there's only 3 pages on my gap list. It's pretty quiet. New one is already there, so it's one of the higher wall. New one has news. I actually posted last Saturday or Friday. Microsoft was talking about acquiring this company. I guess it's getting closer. The deal is getting closer, so we will see. So marijuana stocks stepping down lower today. Mara Riot looking interesting. Let's look at both. Mara looking interesting, and Riot. I do like Mara and Riot, both above the prior day levels. As you can see, we have room to run above the moving average. Let me see on Mara. Mara is more extended. I like Riot, less extended, close to moving averages. Riot blockchain announced match production and operation update. So Riot has news. As you can see, this is a level you should be paying attention to, around 51 plus minus. I would say 51 and a half right here. It's more of a zone, it's not exactly level, so I'll put it from here towards a pre-market low. This is kind of a level worth watching on Mara as a potential support. And what's a play here? I would say you can literally play this for the breakout, even this pivot point. Could be a swing. Right, it's 6.6 ATR. So we are seeing right now at 53 pretty much. This is a target 58, so easily can reach this target. Actually lower there. So 57 and 27. I do like this Riot today. Very nice, close to the moving average. Support of 50. Price above 2. Above 3 days. This is another day we're clearing, so we got some consolidation. So 57.37 could be a potential target here. Looking pretty good here. Let me see. So Uber already watching. SOS, nothing there. Few more stocks. Let's see if we can find it. PLTR, it's already there. Already watching. And already in. Tesla, interesting price action. Pretty nice week. Stepping up higher on Tesla. I love it. Tesla looking good, guys. Looks like we're getting ready to push on Tesla. It's a nice hold of 5 and 20. Let's see if Tesla start curling up. So pretty much we do some sort of a cup and handle, and then break out over this, and we can continue to go higher. But there's also could be still channeling, still testing the top and then fading all the way back down, testing the bottom of this channel. So open-minded for any price action here, and pretty much just watching that price action. There are a lot of names just still a little bit fading, like Plug. Fubo here. Let's see Fubo. I'm watching football for breakout of the prior day closing price or high of the day. So that one should be already on watch here. Here you go. I want to see reaction around 2270 on Fuba, playing support here, right? So let's see how we're going to react to the prior support and maybe grab some, risking the prior day lows towards like 21s. Maybe mitigate if they're going to be a clear support around 2270, so I can mitigate my stop and have a 38-cent stop. That would be amazing. So, but in order to get a small stop, always you have to have confirmation. You have to wait for 15, 30, sometimes even 1 hour after the open, because the open, that's when you don't get like this. This is you get trapped both directions, so you gotta wait and see. This is end of the day only confirms the level, as you can see on Fuba. End of the day, this is the final confirmation, 12.28, 12.30, and that's where you buy end of the day on double bottom and confirming double bottom on a bigger time frame. Anyway, new, it's not going anywhere. Let's see a few more names. Airlines, no. Oil, I see a few oil names on a list. So here's the deal, what's going on in the world. In China, I mean in Asia in general, higher numbers of corona popping again. So in the United States, about 70 million people already got vaccinated. So in Asian countries, it's not even, I don't know, they have problems. But anyway, so that's why the oil is going down though, because consumption is low and probably traveling still will be banned. So the Canadian border between US and Canada is still closed. They extended again. I can't even travel to Canada. So it will affect that oil price, right? So oil companies might just chop around, you know. I don't think so. It's going to be like some sort of a nasty sell-off. Oxy is still looking like he wants to go lower, as you can see inside this channel. So watch out for the test, maybe 25 again. Maybe this time is lower, 24, 70s. Maybe it's not even gonna happen. So you got to be playing against 25s and all the way to 23s. That's the breakout area from the wide range bar, and then probably even hold it all the way to this pivot point consolidation. All right, so I'm gonna jump into the market, see what other what's the market doing, right? And let's look what futures did overnight session. Yes, so as you can see, we gapped up a little bit overnight session. Okay, nothing big here. SPY right now 0.1% down, pretty much inside the prior day range. Still riding 5-day moving average, a little bit extended from 5, and Qs same inside the prior day range on a high, still sitting on a high. Let's see what's gonna happen. IVM, this one, it still looks like a little bit weak. This is the resistance 253, 223.62s. So we hit it multiple times in the past, and now we actually pre-market rejected twice already, right? After hours and pre-market. So let's see what kind of reaction we're gonna have there. Volatility is still on the low 20, but might change direction at any time. All right, XLK today down 0.2, which is nothing. Energy up 0.6. Interesting. So maybe a bounce here of 50-day moving average. What else popping up here? Gold down. So XOP, that's really funny, you know. The oil production really like going down, and you have oil ETFs popping up higher. Every time it happens on a downtrend, it's like reverse. You see the same happens on uptrend, right? Um, so this is usually it's made for to get more shares, kind of like professional gap, to get more shares at the higher price and just keep fading it. Um, when it steps down on a downtrend, it runs away very often. It goes and retests that prior closing price. So, and the opposite to the long side. So I think it's still pretty bearish here on oil on the bigger time frame. All right, marijuana MJ stepping down lower today below 2-3 days lows. Okay, this one interesting. Jets ETF is down too. All right, blockchain, we all know. I think Bitcoin went to like, I don't remember, some new highs. Everything was running on the weekend. All those altcoins. So blockchain 0.8, kind of like the only one standing out. So that's why I put right on my watch list. I do like that daily watch list. All right, so let's look at the charts, guys. The weekly focus list is amazing. So we have so many stocks there already. It's amazing. So, all right, look at Uber. We got some catalysts on Uber, right? What are we having here on Uber? Okay, where is it? News. Uber pause increase in average daily gross booking in March. Boom, good, right? I will see this in the United States a lot. I didn't take Uber freaking, I don't know, for over 2 years, maybe over a year for sure. None of the taxes, because you know you can't go to a nightclub, you can't go anywhere. So we're getting close. 4th of July, there's possibility that's when the opening is happening, before the 4th of July in the United States. So you guys see pop on Uber, very nice breakout. We're sitting at around $60. This is already target, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot chase this. ATR $3, 228. You can see we're sitting at 59.55. So cool. Yeah, sure. This is a target. I like Uber for pullback and then give me some constructive price action, and I want Uber, guys, for run up all the way back to 64's prior highs. This one looks really nice, but don't chase it like that unless you're scalping or something. All right, let's look some of the names I'm watching. What's standing out right now? There are a few new ones. So Microsoft getting a deal again, 20% up right now. Clear 2 levels already, 46, 50s. I mean, I can chase this, right? I wish I could be already in, but worth watching today. Microsoft possibly buying this company for 19.7 billion. So this is a cloud company. Right, GM stepping up a little bit, so looking better right now. I'm looking for breakout GM over the prior day highs. So 60.5 breakout on GM might generate momentum upside. So something interesting. PLTR already in, looking good. So momentum. This could be today a golden ticket. So today is the 12th. News coming on the 14th. Buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Let's see if we can get a runner, guys, on this one. ATR $1.57, so 24 to 24.60, so 50 cents. Maybe we can put another runner, another dollar here to 25.50, which is gonna put us towards this area. That's when the pivot point was established. This is not like the most meaningful pivot point, but 25.50 would be nice. So if we break out over here and put a nice runner like this, and 2250. We can definitely run more than the whole entire ATR, like in the past we've seen it. So I'm surprised that ATR just got so small to $1.50 on this name. All right, so what's next? Walmart. I'm still watching it, so I think we have another breakout here happening soon on Walmart. We got some news. Walmart China data group extended omni-channel customer. Okay, so Walmart gets some news here. Partnership extension. TSM has some news today. Analytic equities initiates coverage on Taiwan. Okay, 130 price target. Cool. Looking good. TSM breakout over the 2 days levels with risking of the prior 2 days lows. Zone is already cooking here. Neo also has some news. So you got Xpeng on news to launch third EV model April 14th. So let me see Xpeng real quick. Not much there. Anyway, so Neo, I am still watching for a debuy opportunity. I think it's gonna probably sell lower. Plug, look at Plug. That was smart idea to get out of this trade because it does look like it wants to go lower. Back to the moving average, probably shake out more people. So Fastly, not there yet. Chewy. So this one, nice breakout end of the day. Look at the volume coming in. Yeah, insane. I already got out of this trade, unfortunately, but potential continuation of this one. So let's see what's standing out. Tesla. This one's standing out nicely above the prior day high into the prior day consolidation. That's when the fade started. So kind of gotta see a constructive price action here on this name. I do like for the long side. Alright, CRM. You want to see pullback on CRM and test 229 and then go long from there. All right, Tiger, looking for breakout today of 20 on Tiger. This is a very nice one. Very strong constructive price action. We had it on Friday, right? So watch out, Tiger, for the test of 20 again. Build up around 20 and go for the breakout there. APPS potential continuation there. Let's see, Futu down 2.7% today. Okay, there's nothing there yet. ADSK, CRVD, named 2021 Fortune 100 best companies to work for list. All right, CRVD getting a little bit of pump from Fortune 100. And many stocks I'm watching have similar patterns, kind of like shakeout before the runner. As you can see, many of them have like a strong push and then either they hold it high and tight or had a shakeout like this. This is a very bullish signal and close back on a high. Kind of even build a bear flag here and eventually start squeezing and didn't even play that formation on the bear flag. PayPal Square today might continue to run because of blockchain. Let's see what's standing out right now in terms of percentage. Frog down a little bit. ACB, so marijuana names down a little bit. I'm looking for a deep buy on these names. Maybe they will offer something. Is there a reason why they're down? I don't see any news. TUP, Tupperware. Let's look a few more names here. Dash had a very strong runner on Friday. Look at the candle here. This thing can't put it 10 points per day. This was freaking nuts. This was more than 10 points. 121 to 141. 20 points. Wow. So price probably gonna get exhausted a little bit. All of those people who were buying, and some of them gonna be breaking even right now. Like, oh God, give me out of this play. I've been sitting through this, right? People who can't wait. This is the important pivot point. We broke. We closed above. Let's see if we can shake out people and consolidate and start holding the high. I like this name. It's kind of a recovery play. Um, um, maybe not so much as a recovery play. It used to be like for the COVID situation play, right? Because everybody's ordering food. But this is also a retail, I mean, the restaurant industry, right? So I think people are gonna be going back to work, so that's why I think it also can be played as a recovery. So people ordering food to work and stuff like that.
Good morning, everybody.
What's up, man? How's it going?
Good. How was your weekend?
Was amazing. Was amazing, man.
Oh yeah, I saw those snippets on the mountain.
And a few more names I'm watching. It's Baba. Baba getting traction. So I think I heard news on Baba. They got they slammed by a big fine from Chinese government. Um, so record antitrust penalty in China. See shares rising 6%. I think it's more of a relief, when it's like, okay, situation is over. China, okay, give me fine, good, fine, let's go. Now we can go. So investors know what to expect. Everybody, whoever bought it, bought it. Okay, now it's time to go. It's a strong company. Fundamentals don't change, right? This is one thing. The market changes, but fundamentals don't change. So it's a bargain buy. I'm pretty sure this is a bargain buy. You'll see this thing running strong. Baba, what are we seeing around? 238. We just cleared this consolidation, recent consolidation. So you gotta have next level 241s here. And yeah. And lastly, Riot. Very strong looking chart, daily, beautiful, guys. We have to breakout runner towards 57.20. I might look at this today to play with the Bitcoin and crypto is so hot. And then, yeah, and then probably even swing a position on this one. It looks better than Mara. You can compare them. I think Mara is more extended than Riot. Riot more constructive. And you can find shares to short on Riot. I think Mara doesn't even have it. All right. That's our list, guys.
Yeah. My list is nothing exciting today, for sure. I'm watching Playboy. Playboy had a pretty nice run in the past days. PLBY. And today's gapping up, so we'll see what happens with it. It's kind of gapping up and holding this 29 level. So I'm gonna be watching that on the radar. I'm watching IRTC. I think this is a pharmaceutical company that just made some kind of announcement. It's losing 33% so far. Uh, to a downside, and this thing is trending down. So I'm looking for that. If we can get a pop, essentially a reversal, it'll follow through to the upside. FND as well. The stock had a pretty nice pop on Friday. Today's gapping up and it's kind of holding the gap. Not a lot of pre-market volume, but we'll see what happens when it opens up. COMM as well. This had a couple days move to the upside, couple bucks. Not a huge mover, but again, it's my list. Grow, US Global Investors, at least that's the name of the company. I had a pretty nice move from 750 to 13, still holding the trend, so I'm looking for that for a reversal. Buzi, Buzi. Uh, the stock pulled back on Friday, and it's kind of in a breakout mode here. So we'll see what happens if it wants to pop, fail, uh, go down, or pop, hold, and actually move higher. Um, JKS, this stock gapped down on Friday, closed the gap, and today it's gapping down. So maybe this is the day where it actually wants to go lower. So I have JKS on watch as well. Besides, I posted the charts in chat. Riot, beautiful flag. Uber, beautiful flag. LNTH flag. KBR flag. Uh, NUE flag. A lot of names are flagging. So this is gonna gives you the idea of what's going on in the market at this point. Everything is strong and it's getting bought back up. So maybe this is a clue that stuff may be breaking out. Uh, Again, guys, we are not financial advisors. We're not money managers. You have to do your due diligence. Everything we provide, we discuss, is for educational purposes only. Uh, if you guys want to trade with us, join us on Discord. And did you talk about the class?
No, give me just a second. So, Garage Killer, I know Mara, you posted Mara there. I think it's more extended than Riot. Look at Riot. Um, and Mara, just compare them. It doesn't mean Mara won't run, but it's just a little bit extended from 20-day moving average, and he had a pretty decent run here. So, so class. Oh yeah. Let me bring Discord here real quick. So I put a really nice presentation, guys, to teach my way of trading, something that I've been working for quite so long. Announcements. So I'm shifting from scalping. I stopped scalping pretty much a month ago or something, and more towards swing trading, intraday swing trading, overnight swings, and multi-day holds. So what I call this a hybrid trading system. It's still day trading, but with swing trading approach and kind of try to capture big moves. So we're gonna have a class. It's a 3-day intensive education, over 100, I think 20 slides. I put it together with good examples. It's a live class with Q&A. It will be recorded as well if you can't attend. So first 5 people will get a discount price. So you can register on Mechanic Investors. The registration will start probably today or tomorrow. The class.
Yeah, well, the page will be up for sure by tomorrow for you to register. And if you want to reserve your spot, just message me or message Stock Operator, and we will hold your spot for a discount.
Yeah, so the first 5 spots will get a discount, 199 per seat. The rest of it is going to be 299. It's a very good class, guys. Education is number one thing. You know, it's pretty much all my knowledge after years and put it together in one great presentation. So, and first 5 seats will get a spot in our new Discord private channel. Not even a channel, new Discord. We call it Mechanic Investors Pro. That's probably we're gonna launch soon too, in a couple weeks or so. It's gonna be paid, but everybody who participate in the classes, they will get spots for free. Alrighty.
Yeah, so you guys, if you guys want to join, just let us know. Send us a DM either on Twitter or on Discord. You can join the Discord now for free. Link in the description. Again, we are not registered financial advisors. Everything we provide is for educational purposes only. Anyways, the market is going to open in 7 minutes here. While everybody's watching, What are you guys watching here?
So my plan is like this. I have only one position right now, PLTR. So I'm sitting there watching PLTR. I'm not aiding on this one because I already have a big size, but I want to
Right.
sell some into towards 20, 26, 27, 28, and hold the rest of it for Rana. Um, and the rest, um, I will be watching for after 30 minutes, possibly putting some positions. So I did analytics this weekend, right? After 1 month of kind of like trading. First of all, I switched to this new platform, Thinkorswim. Um, I kind of put the statistics together and everything, and uh, my losses were from day trading, pretty much. I'm like, oh, Jesus, I gotta stop doing this again. Um, from scalps, kind of, trying to catch, having the same mentality, day trading mentality instead of focusing on more of a swing. So I'm like, okay, well, I gotta sit on my hands for 30 minutes because for swing trading, you gotta wait for that constructive price action and confirmation on a bigger time frames, and then you possibly can enter. Another thing with swing trading, guys, intraday swings or overnight swings, I recommend to try this. Don't go full size. It's emotionally tough. Not only emotionally tough, you have a big exposure because you don't know. The volatility is high. You can open, look really constructive, and then end of the day is gonna fade. Go half size in the open, right? Once you see this kind of build up, go half size right here and add another half end of the day for overnight swing. If it closes strong, right? And then you got a really nice average. Your average will be lower, right? Because you bought somewhere lower here, and then end of the day, your average will lower, and you have a bigger size. You got overnight gap, and then you sell it some for overnight gap like POTR, and then repeat.
Right. Yeah, definitely. Day trading, you need a lot of nerves. You're looking for those smaller moves. With swing trading, you get to catch a pretty substantial move with a lower risk, especially over the period of 2 3 days. Uh, but yeah, definitely, definitely, I'm looking for essentially all my day trades are based on higher time frames for
Yep.
that specific reason.
I see you
So
getting
earning
a little
season is
bit into
coming.
the swing. You had a swing like last week.
Yeah.
Try.
Uh, yeah. I've been moving towards swinging positions now just because um I mean if it's a breakout on the daily, why not just hold it? It's a breakout on the daily. You day trade it and then end up carrying that position with the same average, which day traders um, as us we have an advantage because we can pick that almost perfect entry, right?
Yep.
With lower risk, and then it just up from there. So
It's like trade to hold until reason to sell. And when you focus too
right,
much and on a scalping type of a, you have a scalping mode, you focus too much on 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, and that's when you're getting out of your positions. And it's just a habit, There's nothing wrong about that. Scalping or something like that. It's just I think you can actually make more money swing trading and it's less.
with
Um,
smaller positions for sure.
yeah, a less exposure you have to the market in terms of how much risk you can put on the table. I had a few examples, like um, I was sharing not so long ago. On a $2,500 investment, you can make 10% pretty much every day if you catch some. So that's mean you can actually start with a small account. And 5 years ago, I would never believe in that. Like, how can you make 10% on something like POTR with $5,000 account? There is no way you can do it, but actually it is. I only thought you can do this on low floats, catch something, but no, actually You can, guys. Just gotta be patient and wait for your patterns.
Yeah. All right. Looks like the market is pulling back. It's opening in 1 minute and a half. 1 minute and a half. APHA, it's pulling back down. It's gapping down today. This is another name on my watch. APHA, it's breaking the trend line on the daily. So we might.
All right. Thank you guys on YouTube for watching. You can join us on Discord. So we usually talk there. There's no more streaming. Streaming is only for the morning prep. Be smart today, and we'll see you tomorrow.
All right. Take care, guys.